Crystal Light has maltodextrin, which is another name for sugar. I posted a previous video on different names for sugar, which you probably don't know exist, like sucrose is also sugar. They hide these in the ingredients and figuring people think it's unsweetened, but it really isn't. So what are some compliant drinks? Well, electrolyte infused waters such as plain smart water, core water, essential water, lemon zero vitamin water, berry flavored powder Aid Zero, that's the blue one. Only the lemon flavored Gatorade Zero is compliant. The others have modified food starch, unsweetened tea, coffee with compliant sweetener and heavy whipping cream, unsweetened almond milk, diet sodas except Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew has juice in it. You must test your meter. And compliant flavors of Zevia, Zevia, the soda are okay. And the compliant ones are the root beer, the cream, and the lemon lime. So go out and make it a great day. And be sure to look at those ingredients. Bye.